Namaskar all of you. Namaskar everyone. So how are you all? All fine?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So we'll start with Saraswati Vandana. All of you, join your hands, close your eyes. Here I'm going to say the Saraswati Vandana. Devas, you also. Get ready for this and mute yourself. Mute yourself, all of you. Thank you. Om Karya, you should mute yourself. Okay, listen. Those students are joining late. I will not take their attendance. Are you getting? Everyone has to participate in the class. Let me check attendance. Shiv Sukhdev, Rashi, Priyanshu, Manav, Kashyap, Harshil, Hardeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, I'm just taking names. Okay, fine. So yesterday, what have we learnt?
Ma'am, we
Devas, do you
learned
remember
that
yesterday what have you learnt? Yes, I had explained chapter that everybody knows. Okay, we have learned that the boy. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I can.
Yes, sure, beta. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quickly, beta.
Yesterday we learned that the grandfather and we are sitting near to the fire, and the grandfather telling the stories like who turn into animal, beasts that jump, and stone they kept. And when the boy is collecting sticks for his evening fire, he noticed that last year he planted a cherry tree. He tell his grandfather, see, the last year we planted the cherry tree come out. Grandfather asks, which cherry tree?
Okay. Then.
Ma'am, I know that's only. I cannot explain that pedal one.
Okay, no problem. Fine. So what happened? The boy, after eating cherries, okay, cherries, he just put the seed in the soil, and after years, found that one day he was collecting sticks, the dried sticks for a fire. He saw that there was a plant, it was growing. So like he remembered that it was that plant where he put the seed. So he recognized that it was the cherry tree. So he went inside and called his grandfather, okay, and grandfather come out and confirmed that yes, it was the cherry tree. He suggested that to Rakesh to pour some water or sprinkle some water on it, and also suggested that he need to water every day. Now, so Rakesh went inside. He brought a water can, and sprinkle some water on it. Okay, and he put some pebbles. So grandfather asked that why these pebbles are. The boy replied, these pebbles are to protect the tree or for the privacy. Okay, then it was the monsoon time, and the boy found that the tree, the cherry tree, it grown little faster than usual month. Okay, this much we have already learned. Now moving to next. If you had any doubt, if you have any question, you can just ask me today. Devansh, she is your sister, I know, but during class, you should not disturb yourself. Okay, now moving to next. If you have any doubt, ask me, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't you have doubt? So may I proceed for the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Moving to the next, last paragraph was there to explain. It was about 2 feet height when a goat entered the garden and ate all the leaves. Only the main stem and 2 thin branches remained. Okay. So the plant, it was grown little longer, 2 feet height, and that time one goat, Bin Bakri, it entered to the garden and she eaten all the leaves of the cherry tree. Only branches and stem left or remained with the plant. Now turn the page. Never mind, said grandfather, seeing that Rakesh was upset. It will grow again, cherry tree asked tough. So grandfather saw that Rakesh was upset, he was not so happy looking at the situation. So grandfather said that it's okay, we should not mind because plant will grow again. Only leaf and some branches went now. It's okay, it will grow it. And he said that cherry trees are tough to grow. It's so difficult to grow, and once it grows, okay, you can enjoy the fruit. Towards the end of the rainy season, new leaves appeared on the leaves on the trees. Then a woman cutting grass came down the hillside, her sins swishing through the heavy monsoon foliage. Okay, so it was the end of the rainy season, end of monsoon. Okay, so what happened? He could see there were new leaves appeared. Okay, on the cherry tree. Then a woman, she was cutting grasses and all. So by Mrs. she cut, slowly she come forward by cutting. Okay, her sins. What is the meaning of sins? Okay,
What, ma'am?
in other language it is known as ila. Okay? It means material or a tools. Usually people used to cut some long grasses. Okay, with her feet swishing through the heavy monsoon foliage. Okay, she thought that it is the only raw or useless thing. Okay, so this she has cut down that tree again. She didn't try to avoid the tree. One sweep and the cherry tree was cut in two. So she was cutting the weeds, okay, useless grasses or plant. So she thought that it is also useless plant, and without looking at that much, she just cut the tree. Now you tell me what would be the condition of Rakesh now? When goat had eaten the leaves and branches, he became upset. Now, a lady, she had cut the tree. What would be the condition? How would he feel? Bad, of course. Why he would feel bad? Hmm? Cherry tree was cut. There is no word like cutted. It is cut. Okay. What is the meaning of stick?
Long grass we have to cut.
A tools where we cut the long grass. Okay. Fine. So what is the meaning of foliage? F-O-L-I-A-G-E. Hmm? No. What is the meaning of foliage? Tell me. Now. Tell me. All of you write down what is the meaning of foliage. You have already written, as I used to tell you, such difficult words and their meaning. Type in chat box what is the meaning of foliage. F-O-L-I-A-G-E. Foliage. Quickly. Maulik, this is not the time to join meeting. Or leave meeting, okay? Waiting for your reply. Quickly write down. Yes. Foliage means no cut. And it's not cut. See, I'm going to read the
Ma'am, tiredness.
lines again.
Tiredness.
And out
Ma'am, tiredness.
no, and down the hillside, her feet swishing through the heavy monsoon falling. Okay, it means she cut the tree. Okay, cut the tree. It was covered with leaves. Okay, leaves of a plant. Okay, that is known as foliage. You can say leaf. F O E. Foliage means leaves. Write down
Yeah.
leaves, branches or leaves. Okay. What is the meaning of fishing? What is the meaning of fishing? Yes.
Even so much
No. No. In the same line, please first find out what is the meaning of fishing. Tell me. Swishing means a sound. Okay. Swishing means it is not fishing. Swishing. S-W-I-S-H-I-N-G. S-W-I-S-H-I-N-G. Swishing means when you are busy and make sound. Okay. So it is swishing through the heavy monsoon. That means when heavy monsoon is there, heavy rain is there, you get sound, right? Sound. That sound known as swishing. City जैसे. Yes, that is known as swishing. Okay. Now moving to next. When grandfather saw what happened, he went after the woman and scolded her, but the damage could not be repaired. Okay. So when the grandfather saw that the lady, she had already cut the plant or tree, grandfather became so angry because it was so important to Rakesh, and he will become upset after this. So he scolded the lady who cut the tree. But what can one do? It cannot be repaired. Okay, it was already cut out, so you cannot join it again. Yes or no? It's not cloth that you stitch it and you get ready for you. No. So he has already cut tree and it cannot be repaired. Maybe it will die now, said Rakesh. Rakesh said, maybe this tree is going to die. Now it will not grow again, said Rakesh. But the cherry tree had no intention of dying. But the cherry tree, once it rooted, okay, it is so difficult to die. So it grew again. By the time summer came around again, it had sent out several new shoots with tender green leaves. Rakesh had grown taller too. He was 8 now, sturdy, sturdy boy with curly black hair and deep black eyes. Now, 1 minute. I'm just going to turn off the screen for a moment.
Yeah.
1 minute, beta. Go. One minute, I'm going to play a video.
Ma'am, it not started.
Yeah, not started. Oh, I'm just trying to, but it's not showing at all. One minute. Why it is not showing? It's reloading because of network issue. Okay, it's okay if it is not playing. I will not waste time on it. Okay, it's the same video that I have sent you the link. Okay, you can check that link and go on. It's okay. Fine. So what happened when grandfather saw that he scolded the lady, and Rakesh thought that it will not grow again, but the tree grown again, and now the boy also grown so big. Now he is a sturdy boy with a little curly hair, deep black eyes. Okay, now he is 8 years old. So when the story started, he was 7 years old. Now it's complete 1 year, and the boy is of 8 years. Okay. One day he found a bright green flying mantis perched on a branch. It was the cherry tree's first visitor. The next visitor was a hairy caterpillar who started eating the leaves. Rakesh removed it quickly and dropped it on a heap of dried leaves. Who will explain this paragraph quickly? Who will explain this paragraph? Arifa, you tried well yesterday. Will you try today also? Sid? Yes? You can do. Don't worry about the language, okay? Don't think that you don't know English and you cannot frame sentences. You can. Try it.
Ma'am, which paragraph?
Paragraph number 5 in page number 30. One day he found a bright green playing mantis. Playing mantis is like grasshopper, okay?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
the
May I
picture.
And ma'am, it is
Yes,
very
of
big,
course.
very big.
Yes, it is very big.
Ma'am, it is as big as your palm. Maybe.
Yes, of
Ma'am,
course. Yes, I
ma'am,
know.
it is called a mantis
Please
because
explain.
it the ma'am उसके जो हाथ होते हैं वो है ना हमेशा में साथ होते हैं. It puts its hand always
Oh,
together
that's
when it
great.
is on side.
Some
Ma'am, you can see
information,
in the
beta.
picture too. Ma'am,
Yes, the picture has given here. Okay, I can see.
and ma'am,
You can
ma'am,
also,
I knew
right?
about it.
So this is the
Ma'am, I knew
picture.
about it very much because that's why I told you. It can grow as big as your palm.
Wow, that's okay.
Ma'am,
So
can
it's
I
so big, right?
explain this parable?
Okay. Yes, beta, surely.
Okay, ma'am. One day he found a bright green praying mantis perched on a branch. One day Rakesh found a bright green praying mantis. Ma'am, perched means
First means to sit on. Sit.
okay, ma'am. Sit on branch. It was the cherry tree's first visitor. The praying mantis was the first visitor of cherry tree. The next visitor was hairy caterpillar, who started to eating the leaves of cherry tree. Rakesh removed it quickly and dropped it on a heap of dry leaves.
Means
The caterpillar was the second visitor of cherry trees, and he started to eating the leaves. And so, when Rakesh see that hairy caterpillar, he quickly dropped it on the heap of dry leaves.
okay. Now let me tell you. One day what happened? He found a bright green color. You can see in the picture the color of mantis is green in color, so that it hide himself or itself in the branches. Okay, so it come through the cherry tree. It sat on a branch of cherry tree. It was the first visitor. The narrator said that it was the first visitor who reached to the cherry tree. The next visitor was a hairy caterpillar. Do you know what is the meaning of caterpillar? Devans?
Ma'am, can I say?
One type of insect. Yes.
Ma'am, it is the juvenile form of a butterfly or a beetle.
Yes. Fine.
Ma'am,
Thank you so much.
butterfly,
So,
and it becomes a caterpillar, then it becomes a cocoon, and then it becomes a butterfly or a beetle, depending on what type of caterpillar it is.
okay. That's it. Wow. You know so much. Thank you so much, beta. So, who started eating the leaves and the caterpillar started eating the leaves? So, Rakesh removed it quickly. When he saw that caterpillar was eating the leaves, he removed it. Okay, throw it and drop it on a heap of dry leaves. And he threw it and put the caterpillar on a dry leaf. Come back when you are butterfly, he said, and said that now you are caterpillar, okay? Okay, you can return after becoming butterfly, said Rakesh to the caterpillar. Winter came early that year. The cherry tree went low with the weight of snow. Then in February, it was Rakesh's birthday. He was 9 and the tree was 3. But it was almost as tall as Rakesh. One morning, when the sun came out, grandfather went into the garden. Okay, so what time? This is winter time. Okay, and the cherry tree, it was little bent down because of the load of heavy snow. Okay, in cold region like Uttarakhand or Himachal Pradesh, it has snowfall during summer. Okay, and because of in Mussoorie in Himachal Pradesh only, sorry, Uttarakhand, right? In Manali also you can get snowfall and all. That's why people used to go for a visit or trip. Okay, so because of snowfall, the tree become little down, bent out. Then it was February, month of February. That means in which month Rakesh had born? In the month of February. So his birthday comes in the month of February. It was Rakesh's birthday and Rakesh was now 9 years old. So when he planted the seed, he planted
when
the
he's 7
seed
years old.
when he was 7 years old. Okay, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. That was 3 years completed. So the tree, okay, the tree is of 3 years old and the boy is of 9 years old. That's it. Okay. So he was 9 and the tree was 3, but it was almost as tall as Rakesh. And as you know that the tree grows faster than human being. You know, see, we grow very little, but the plant grows very fast. So the plant, it was as tall as Rakesh. Okay. One morning, when the sun came out, grandfather went into the garden. So one morning, you hardly find the ray sun, you can say, or hard sun over there. So the grandfather, Rakesh's grandfather, he went outside in the morning to see, to feel that warm outside. He started at the cherry, he stared, not started, sorry, I did wrong. He stared at the cherry tree and then called out, Rakesh, come and look. Okay, he looked very clearly or closely to the cherry tree. He noticed something and called Rakesh to come out and look something. Rakesh and grandfather gazed at the tree. There was a pale pink blossom at the end of the branch. The following year, there were more blossoms and suddenly the tree was taller than Rakesh. And then it was taller than grandfather, who was older some oak tree. But Rakesh had grown too. He could run and jump and climb tree as well as much as most boys, and he read a lot of books. So what happened? Rakesh and grandfather both gazed at the tree. They looked very closely at the tree. You can see this is the picture. They both just look at the tree all the time. Okay, and there was a pale pink blossom at the top of the branch. Okay, that will growing. Then it will give some flowers of cherry. Okay. First, what happened? If you talk about mango, we haven't seen cherry tree much, so we can talk about mango. Before mango, what can you see in the mango tree? Huh? Leaves, okay. Kacha aam se pehle, what is that? What is that before kacha aam? No seed. Flower. Flower. Okay, the small flower. Okay, after that flower, you will get small mango. Then it grows. Yes, fine. Like what the grandfather could see a pale, dull color blossom. Okay, he thought that now they will have some cherries. Are you all there or not?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, beta, tell me.
Ma'am, can I
Why?
leave? Ma'am, because my device
What
is
happened? Why,
discharged
ma'am?
and electricity is also not available here.
What is your problem? You don't have charge in your mobile. Don't you have light at home? Anshul?
Ma'am, light gone. Not. Just a minute. Over
Which area do you stay? Okay,
Today is Wednesday, na, so
but
that's
now
why.
it is there now. Okay, it's today. But how can you join the next class then, beta? Okay, in the following year, that means next year, they got lots of, you can leave, no problem. Okay, but you will watch the video again. Okay, the following year, they had lots of blossom, lots of flower that means. And suddenly the tree grew so tall, taller than Rakesh. Okay, then it was taller than grandfather. So Rakesh was tall as cherry tree. Now the cherry tree grown taller than Rakesh, and grandfather is taller than Rakesh. Now the cherry tree grown more than that. That means the cherry tree is taller than both of them. Okay. Rakesh also grown too, but not that much. And he could run and jump and climb tree. And now Rakesh can climb to the tree, okay, like other boy. He reads lots of books. Rakesh reads lots of books, although he still like listening to grandfather's story. Okay, he used to read lots of books, but he likes to listen to grandfather's story because it is interesting and they have lots of collection of stories, right? Bees come to feed on the nectar in the blossoms of the tree, and tiny birds picked at the blossom and broke them off. But the tree kept blossoming. That summer there were small cherries on the tree. Rakesh tested one and spat it out. So what happened? He started reading his listening stories from grandfather also. And bees, honeybees that means, came to feed on the nectar. What is the meaning of nectar? They test from their nectar, okay? They take the sweetness from flowers. Yes, they take sweetness from flowers and they store in their hive. Okay, so it started collecting sweetness from the honey. This bees started collecting the sweetness from the cherry flower of the tree, and tiny birds pecked at the blossom. And tiny birds, they what you call Khutna, that means they use, okay, they try to eat that blossom and broke them off, and they broke that flower branches. But the tree kept blossoming. But tree was so strong now, and it was keep blossoming. So many flowers and small fruits are there. That summer there were small cherries on the tree. Rakesh tested one and spat it out. So he saw that there was a small cherry, little pink in color. So he just took out the cherry. He ate, but when he tested cherry, it was little bitter in taste because it was not ready to eat. Yes. Have you ever tasted very young mango or guava? It tastes bitter. So it's too sour, he said, and he said that it's too sour. It's not sweet. Even if you have eaten berries, you cannot eat that kacha berries or young berries. Okay, it's very sour in taste, and you will not enjoy them. But we used to enjoy that khatta berries or khatta fruit. If you put some salt and chili over that, then you are ready to eat. You know. Yes, we do with kacha curry also. They will be better next year, grandfather replied. Grandfather said, oh, if it is sour, then it will be better next year, so wait till. A few days later, on a warm sunny afternoon, Rakesh went into the garden and lay down on the grass beneath the tree. He gazed off through the leaves at the great blue sky. Grandfather came outside too, and they waited in silence until the star came out. Who will explain this paragraph? It's so easy. I'm asking you to explain so that I can understand what is your understanding level after reading the paragraph. Hardeep, Dhanush, Yes. Hmm. Speak in English, but a
Ma'am,
few days
which paragraph?
later, on a warm sunny page number 31, second paragraph.
Ma'am, may I explain?
Yes, of course, but I'm waiting for you.
Okay, ma'am. A few days later, on a warm, sunny afternoon,
Hmm.
after few days, on a very
Hmm.
hot afternoon, Rakesh went
It
into
is
garden
hot.
and lay down on the grass beneath the tree. Rakesh went out into the garden and lay down on the grass. Uh, on the grass. He
Yes.
gazed up through the leaves at the great blue sky. He is seeing in the sky and the leaves. He is seeing the sky and leaves are also coming in between. Grandfather come outside too, and they waited in silence until the stars came out. Grandfather also came out, and they waited silently until the stars came out, means until the night.
Okay. Fine. So it was afternoon time, warm sunny day. Rakesh went into the garden and lay down on the tree, okay, on the grass beneath the tree. As usual, even I saw a man when we leave from school, okay, on the way, every day I can see two men, they used to sleep under the tree. Do you notice that? They once, while going on the way, when you turn it, two men, they sleep outside under the tree in the road side only. Okay, you noticed today. Okay, so what happened? So we like to sleep under the tree during summer days. So like that, the boy also slept under the tree on the grass, and he gazed. Here, gaze means stare or look very closely. He stared. Write the meaning. Gaze, gaze means, write down, Devans, gaze, stare or look carefully. Okay, so he gazed at the branches or leaves through the through the branch and leaves to the sky. Grandfather also came outside, and they both waited in silence until the star came out. Okay, so see, afternoon to evening, night, they all they were sleeping outside, looking at the sky through that branches or leaves and waiting till the night. So the boy said that there are so many trees in the forest, said Rakesh. Why do we like this tree much? He was not knowing that why he liked this tree so much. There are so many trees, even other cherry trees are also there in the forest. Okay, why they like that tree so much? Grandfather replied that because we planted it ourselves, because it is ours. They own it. That's why they love it. Just one small seed, said Rakesh. He touched the smooth bark of the tree that has grown. I wonder, he whispered, is this what it feels like to be God? Okay, so the boy went to the tree. He touched the bark. Bark means chilka, okay, or the covering part of the tree. He touched the tree. He felt that smoothness, okay, love, and he said, I wonder, I'm surprised, okay, is this what it feels like to be God? And he said, when I'm touching the tree, I feel like I'm touching God, feeling so heavenly, awesome, said the boy. So, through this chapter, we have learned that Grow the tree, okay. And also, God is in nature, okay. You have to feel that. See, in past life, okay, in past years, people used to worship stone, people used to worship animal, people used to worship trees, okay. Now also people used to worship trees and all. So they knew that the God is in the nature, the God is not in the heaven or not in the sky or not inside the earth, okay. Fine. The God is in the nature. If you take care of nature, the God will give you the heavenly pleasure in your life. Okay, that's the thing Ruskin Bond wanted to convey through this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me. Quickly go through the chapter and just write down all the difficult words, all of you. No doubt. Anshul, now it's okay. There is light at your home. Okay, fine. Quickly go through the chapter. Okay, let me take your attendance. Give me 1 minute time. Arifa Joint is present. Keith Desai present. Deep Tetroja. Hardeep Singh. Rashi Doshi present. Harshidi, what happened to Harshidi? What happened to her? She is not there.
Ma'am, Harshidi is not in our class.
So why her name is there then? So where is she? Do you know? Do you have any idea?
No, ma'am.
No. So I'll call to Harshidi then. Okay, fine. She is not in your class, but her name is there. Okay, Rush. What did you say? Dhanus, where are you? Have you come back?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, you have made the English WhatsApp group. Now I have sent the photos. You have seen
Who is saying?
for
Manav?
handwriting. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, I have checked yours and I have sent to Pooja ma'am also. Okay, Pooja ma'am asked that to send all the work. Okay, those have already sent me. I have passed to her. Those haven't submitted me. I have put absent. Handwriting.
मैम किसके लिए
You have,
हैंडराइटिंग
yes,
था?
you.
Ma'am,
Everyone
handwriting
has
is
to.
good or bad? मैम मैं ग्रुप में नहीं हूँ. मैं ग्रुप में नहीं हूँ.
Do one thing. Give me your number quickly so that we will add you. Yes, you are
Ma'am,
also not there.
my handwriting is good or bad?
Quick. It was okay, not so good. Fine.
Yeah.
मैम
Every day.
मैम ये किसके लिए था हैंडराइटिंग का?
Everybody. Wait, everyone has to write one page daily with good handwriting. I will not consider of Notebook, F&B. F&B work I will not consider. You are taking which?
मैम मैंने नंबर भेजा.
Okay, fine. You have to write.
Ma'am, I also sent.
Notebook.
मैम दीप देत्रोजा और शिव सुखदेव का नंबर रेडी नहीं हो रहा.
Shiv Sukhdev number. Okay.
Ma'am,
Shiv
I
Sukhdev.
also shared my number.
I have taken screenshot. I will pass to Arifa. Okay. Okay. This is Shiv Sukhdev's number. Arifa, please take it. 9925035532. Okay. Now here I am typing your number. Tell me your number. Devansh.
मैम मैंने दूसरा नंबर भेजा वो वाला ऐड कर देना उससे हो जाएगा.
Beta, we are from English medium school, right? And we should speak in English. Okay, fine, all of you. Take care. Bye. Yeah, you have sent me. Do complete your homework and by 7 p.m. you are going to send me your work, okay? Homework, handwriting.